Hi, I'm Ray Freeman, Managing Director of Tribe. Tribe is a global practice of adaptivate. We help organizations to scale agile coaching on demand. Today, I'm going to demonstrate a simple tool for teaching agile teams to recognize when user stories may be too big to fit through a sprint. And it can also be used to teach organizations when work may need to be broken down to another level to help teams to be able to find work that is small enough to take through a sprint. And we're going to do that in under 7 minutes using Russian nesting dolls. So I found these on Amazon. They're maybe $10 or so, but they're just blank Russian nesting dolls. But can use these to represent an organization, a big organization. There's a lot packed into it. And that organization has made a decision that they want to break work down and have incremental delivery. So typically they go through some type of workshops and they will define something that they will call epics, features, and user stories. And they will believe at this point they are an agile organization because they've done this exercise. But those teams start to struggle. They struggle with getting to done. They go in increments and they're not getting work that's demonstrable or that has value. And one of the ways to show why that's happening is because those teams are probably trying to carry too much as well. It's too big. So perhaps that organization needs to think about another layer of abstraction. And it can get a little tricky because the nomenclature may seem the same. And there's several other methodologies that have named them different. But what that organization may then do is look at breaking that work down into epics, features, and eventually user stories. So now we have another level that breaks work down into something that a team can take through a sprint cycle and actually recognize value in small increments so that when that work is done, it rolls up and that feature is completed. And when those features are completed and they roll up into that epic. And this is a particular level of work that has been done. But multiple of these together will achieve a larger piece of value at another level. When we're scaling across a large organization, this has multiple divisions or departments within it. And I can look at how that value rolls up all the way up to a corporate level where we're then tying the value back to our overall organization. So that's a way that we can demonstrate using Russian nesting dolls of how to recognize when user stories are too large for a sprint. And also when an organization needs to break down to another level so they can scale across multiple verticals. And that's it. I'm Ray Freeman. Thanks for joining.